Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to present you a presentation Ovarian Cancer Assignment in India. My name is Salman Khan, group number 3009. History of ovarian cancer 688 cases in a register of Delhi. The percentage contribution to total were obstruct to be a 5.3 pre 10,000 and 5.9% respectively in the majority of the register. The ovarian and cancer rank is the third most common cancer. About a 50% total is cases occurs between a 45 to 65 year of ages. Current situation of the trending, it is the estimated that India by to 2020 that ovarian cancers occur will be around 36,200 and the prevent cases will be around 10,000 and early of cases of prevention of the early treatment of the cases may go a long way reduct to be a prevention of ovarian cases in India. Ovarian cancer rating in the most of population and based cancer registry in India. Ovarian cancer is the third leading seed of cancer among women, trending behind the cervix and the breast cancer. The age of adjust indicates the rate of ovarian cancer is vary between 5.4 and 8.0 pre 10,000 population in different part of country. Static demography, mobility indicators, prevention indicator, financial demography. About a 21.750 women will receive a new diagnosis of ovarian cancer. About a 13,940 women will die from ovarian cancer. A rank of 55 cancer died among a woman according from death any other cancer from female reproductive system. This is a graph of stages of diagnosis: breast cancer, cervix cancer and ovarian cancer. Mobility, ovarian cancer is the account of a 2.5 percentage in the cancer in the woman, while the 11th most common cancer among the women and ovarian cancer is the 55 leading cases of cancer related died among women and the are deadly of gynecological cancer. The average number of died per year, age to death, mobility rate per 10,000. Ovarian cancer is the survival rate: first stage, second stage, third stage and fourth stage. Epithelial ovarian cancer, stomach tumor, ovarian gram cells tumor and fallopian tube. Stage of condition of indicated: pelvis of abdominal pain of claim, feeling full quickly after start to eat, lack of appetite, back pain, painfully sex and weight loss. Financial support, health care and providing. There are several national location survey organization that help people with cancer who are facing a financial challenges. Content they are organizers dictated the law. Learning more about a specific program and service available for the you and your family. Legislation and law and orders. Law cancer additional and the articles of promoting of addition and of women increase the awareness of a glycolysis of cancer. This including ovarian, uterine, endometrial, cervical, virgin and cancers and the risk of factor symptom after this cancer. Policies and programs, ovarian cancer programs. The DHHCC ovarian cancer program is key to be improve the method of prevention, early detection of biological and the genetical under the diagnosis of treatment of ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer is the 55 leading of occurs cancers women's and preventing. preventing and the measure ovarian cancer be prevented. Most of who have one of more risk factors for ovarian cancer, but most of common factor is silently increase the risk. So the only prevention explain the frequency. The are several way of can be reduced. You will risk developing for most common type of ovarian cancer, epithelial ovarian cancer, much less of know about way of low or risk develop gram cells and stromal tumor and the ovarian, so the inform does not apply to those type. Conclusion: ovarian cancer research have shown are some think that can reduce women risk of developing the disease. They include oral contraception, birth control pills, reduce the risk of ovarian cancer, especially among the women who use this for several years. This is a reference. Thank you for watching.